Morning old, I am from the country where Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is located. I am from the country where Lord Gautam Buddha was born, and I am currently making this video from South Korea. I am Biswash Badu Biswash, CEO of Mega Sewa Holding Company, Nepal, a business mentor and a motivational speaker life coach. Today, I am reaching out to you from my small workstation in South Korea regarding a global mission that has the potential to receive the future of 8.2 billion people. I am not just a dreamer sitting in an ivory tower to bring this massive goal and strategic blueprint to life. I am currently in South Korea working as a ground level industrial labor. I believe that only those who have truly understood the reality of the soil can draw roadmap to stars using advanced artificial intelligence, AI, and years of intensive strategic research. I have developed an intellectual asset that empowers 85% of the world's population across 24 major global languages to lead in awakening. This is a comprehensive blueprint designed to guide human thought and global system from 2025 to 2047 to the titans of technology Sundar Pichai, Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, and to the legends carrying massive legacy Ambani, Tata, Birla, Adani, and to visionary leaders of my own country, Binod Chaudhary and Chandra Thakalji, all my role models, to the fusion of industrial grit and strategic brilliance. I am knocking on the door of you global rebellions. I am sacrificing a stable income of 300,000 on and a comfortable life in Korea, putting in a few months for this global transformation. I will be reaching out to each of you through your official emails and LinkedIn's with my proposal. Through this video, I extend an open invitation if you are interested in this historic collaboration and wish to, please contact me directly. So the blueprint of my mission. This is not just a visionary idea from a business perspective. It is a $1 billion project. With your partnership and my vision, you can double your empire impact and presence across the globe. I am Biswash Badu Biswash. For 3 years, I have served as the CEO of visionary company Mega Sewa Holdings, and for 8 years, I have been empowering over 200,000 followers as a motivational speaker and life coach. Today, by working as a labor, I am using the knowledge of technology, discipline, and hard work that I gained in Korea to lay the foundation of global revolution. Who among you is ready to join hands in this journey to transform the world of 8.2 billion people? I await your response. Thank you. Please share this video as much as possible with everyone who watches it. Namaste.